Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to live chat with Amazon. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon shopping app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. You'll see this kind of interface after you are logged in. Now, in order to live chat with Amazon customer service, here you can see the three lines icon at the bottom right corner, tap on it. Over here, you can see the customer service option, tap on it. Here you can see different topics where you might have faced a problem. In order to live chat, you can just randomly tap on any. Here you can see view all option, tap on it. You can select any category from here too. You need to find the category where you can see this I need more help option and you can tap on it. Now in this page, you can see the two different options, whether to chat with the Amazon customer service or request a phone call. So in order to live chat with Amazon, you can select the start chatting now option. The chat is getting initiated. As you can see, the live chat has begun. Here you can select from the options or type your customized message in the message box over here. So that's it. That's how you can live chat with Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.